Good day. This video is about your second prose, When the Trees Walked, written by Ruskin Bond. He shared the incidents that has happened when he was a child. Before getting into your lesson, you have to imagine the pictures of a banyan tree and a peepal tree. So section 1 talks about Ruskin Bond's grandparents. His grandfather was served in Indian Forest Service IFS for many years and he loved trees. His aim was to plant many trees. So after his retirement, he built a bungalow in Dehradun, which is the capital of Uttarakhand. He planted many trees around that house. One day, the author and his grandfather were sitting on the steps. At that time, a tendril means a small stem which depends on other trees and plants. It moved towards grandfather. It had a scientific explanation. The tendrils move according to its need for warmth and light. But the author thought the plants wanted to be near his grandfather as his grandfather loved trees and plants. So his grandparents had a contrast characters. His grandfather loved trees, but his grandmother loved gardening. She preferred flowers rather than trees. But he helped grandma to grow flowers. The reason is to attract butterflies. There was an old peepal tree in their house. One of its branches knocked the bricks of house. So the grandma wanted to cut the tree. Section 2 starts with the author's explanation of his grandfather's love for trees. His grandfather planted trees in jungle beyond the riverbed. The author was asking, no one will be coming here. Then what for we are planting trees in this forest? The grandfather replied, they were planting trees not to attract humans, but to attract birds and animals. He gave him the reasons why we should plant trees. The first thing is to attract rain. The second thing is to prevent soil erosion. If we cut down the trees without planting it, this world will be a big desert one day. When they were returning to home, they saw a dry riverbed and a small mango sapling there. If a sapling can grow here, other plants also can grow. So they planted many saplings there. Moving on to section 3. One of the branches of the peepal tree took its root in ceiling. Grandma scolded grandfather that she couldn't live inside a tree house and she insisted to cut that peepal tree. It was a time of Second World War. The author was sent to a boarding school. His grandparents sold the house and shifted to England. After some years, the author, along with his parents, they also shifted to England. They were away from India for several years. Many years later, the author visited Dehradun. Their house had no changes. He went to that dry riverbed, but it was like a green paradise. He could notice several birds and animals there. He thought his grandfather's dream became true. So we have to understand the importance of trees. Our lives would be horrible without trees. We have to plant many trees. Hope you understood this lesson. Thank you. Good day. This video is about your second prose.